Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how to make a cute little Valentine treat. You need some Oreos, some red and black candy melts. You want to have some little heart sprinkles. And you also want to have the little edible candy eyes and a black Wilton it's an edible food marker. What to do first is go through the bag of Oreos and pick out the ones that are the good ones because when I opened this bag there were several of them that were broken, so that's the last thing you want to do is have to run into that. You want to already have it prepared so you can just have an assembly line going. Now go ahead and melt the red chocolate first and dip your Oreos into that and just stir it around. Make sure you get all the excess chocolate off and just put it onto some foil and let it dry completely. Once you're done with however many Oreos you want to use for this, but just make sure they're completely dry before going on to the next step. Now the next step you're going to do is melt the black chocolate candy coating, and you're going to take a completely dry red Oreo and go ahead and dip it in about halfway and just kind of let it drip off some, and then just go ahead and lay it onto the foil. Now while that chocolate's still wet, go ahead and add the little edible eyes to it so that way they'll stick. Then take the black edible marker and draw a straight line down the middle of the red part of the cookie. And you're going to go ahead and just put a little bit of the chocolate coating down and put your little heart sprinkles on the back of it, however you want to decorate it. This is just how I did mine. Now one thing I did forget to do was to save some of the red candy coating to use as glue to put the sprinkles on, but since I forgot to do that, I went ahead and just used the black and just tried not to use as much of it so it wouldn't be as noticeable. And then afterwards I went ahead and took the black candy coating to make little black dots like a ladybug would have. I was going to use the marker for that, but I noticed the marker wasn't working as well. I think I was running out of ink in it, so I just went ahead and used the black candy coating to do that. Now just continue putting the black chocolate coating onto your cookies and decorating them. And when you're done, you have a cute little love bug. And I think kids would enjoy this for Valentine's Day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thanks again for watching, and have a blessed day.